Here we are again trying to figure this out. It's not even on now. Now let's put it closer because we can. But it won't stay straight. Nope. Let's try it. Now that I figured out that I had the volume down and remembered, I thought it was the camera. But let's see if it works. Better work. And it works again. Oh, just... Wow, well that was fun. And you still can't see nothing. This is a pretty old video from last year. By the way, if you can hear.
That's right. Didn't see anything.
Oh, you still can't see it. I'm putting this on YouTube, by the way, on DVD. And this is Judas Priest. Got another thing coming.
Does that hurt?
Too bad you can't see it. Here's the sound. Again. It's pretty old. This is from 2009, by the way. Pretty old. And it's on AMM video cassette tape. It's working now. Negative mode, but you can't see it. This video is still on here from last year. See the AM thing? No, actually, let's not, because the tape thing won't post. This stupid thing takes a while to get set. But it don't work that well for recording. This video's going on, how long is it? I guess I might have to make it 2 parts. Or maybe not. It's a pretty good video. Too bad you can't see it from over there. It would go in black and white. Yeah. Let's see if that works. And unplug it from the TV. But I guess this probably won't go far enough to do that. Yep, of course. When we go over here, I thought I'd done this before with the stupid charger. Well, let's just bring that thing closer. I'm not see it, and you can't see nothing, so enjoy a blank. If I can find the play button, and you can't see nothing. This camera is... Oh, you're seeing something. There it is. But it has no sound because stupid viewfinder. And it's all in black and stupid white. I see it working. Normal recorder. Let's try and record with it if you can see anything. And I don't even know if it's recording. You probably didn't see nothing, because I have no idea. Yeah, I can't even see it on the screen. Back into play, it didn't. I can't do this with this stupid webcam. Okay, that was enough. You saw it was in negative mode. Now let's put it back on the TV. Actually. Let's take this stupid. And what? This is too hard to get over with. And now I'm going to walk into stuff. Better just put it here. There. Now I can see it better. And I didn't record anything by the looks of it. Also, I didn't record. And here it is back on sound. Let's end this video. I guess the video camera ain't having stupid problems today. Come in! Yeah! Oh, yeah, I can't. Let's stop this video now. But I guess I'll never know how long it really was. I didn't ask to go in the video. I asked to turn it off. There, it's off. And now all of a sudden it's working fine again. How come you can't see me? It works now. Before it didn't, but this video is over. Bye-bye.